Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSix Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to remove the Joy-Con controllers and detach them from your Nintendo Switch. So if this is literally your first time with it, it's actually really easy. Just turn over the console and you're going to notice these little black bumps right here. All you have to do is press one of these down and hold it down. So I'm going to hold this down and then I can lift up and it's going to detach it. Then to place it back on, just slide it on just like this and it will snap on. So let's do the blue side. See this button, press it down, pull up, and it's going to detach the console. Now you can see there's going to be buttons right here, and then we can sync or repair the console by pressing this little button right here if we want to sync the Joy-Con controllers. And then to reconnect it, you can press both these at the same time. Otherwise, you can try pressing the triggers here. But you should be good to go now. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSix Studios.